You watch these motivational things that people talk about online, these influencers and people and things, and they constantly talk about believe in yourself, take that chance, make the choice, go for it, you know. What's nicer to being alive? You don't feel more alive than when you've taken that chance, you've faced your fears. Anybody in their life has fears, and when they're a child and when they conquer that fear, I mean, that feeling of, wow, I've actually done this. I'm almost like leveled up. I've become more of a person. It's such a horrible, scary thing, that fear, before you do it, before you take that leap of faith. But once you do it, you know, there's two scenarios. It's either not going to work or it's going to work. But whenever in life, if you think back, when you do something for the first time that you were scared of and it works, you're feeling like, oh my God, that's awesome. You feel like on a high. But if you think about what happens when it doesn't work, it's never as bad as you imagined it was going to be. You fail, you fall. You physically fall off of your bicycle and it doesn't work. You tried some jump and you fall. It's usually not as bad as you thought. The fear was more scary than actually doing it and failing. Fear is a horrible thing that controls our lives, and you need to push that aside.